Hey, it's good to see you again. It's Mr. B here. Thank you for checking out my video today. Today I have another brand new book for you guys. It's called The Spider and the Beehive. As always, I've made two versions for you. I have the blank version, and I also have the version with the Q&A. So I'll include both of them in the description box below. But before continuing on with this video, I hope that you guys can subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will get the latest materials that I will be putting up on this channel. Also, you can leave a like if you like my videos and my PowerPoint materials. It will really help out this channel a lot. And also thank you for your kind comments. It's really it really helps supports this channel and really motivates me to put out new materials for you guys. So without further ado, let's take a look at the book together. So to start the book, just hit your play button. Mine is located at the bottom right here. So let's take a look at the book together. Hit the right arrow key to go to the next page. The Spider and the Beehive. This is the first page. Let's take a look at a few more pages together. If you guys like my materials, please write down in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions for books or materials that I can make, also leave those in the comment sections below and I'll take a look at that. I'm always looking for new ideas. And in the back of the book, you have your glossary, words to know, and words that you can use to reinforce the story with your students. I've used this book online and offline, and it works really great with the students. So hit the escape button, and now let's take a look at the Q&A version with sound effects. So after this, we'll take a look at the book to see how we can edit it together. So to start the book, again, simply hit the play button. Hit the right arrow key to go to the next page. Hit the right arrow key again to load up the question and the answers. Check is correct and X is wrong, so let's test it out. Okay, right arrow key again. And then just simply hit the right arrow key to go to the next page. Let's try it out again. That one's wrong. Wrong. Correct. And just simply repeat the process. My students really enjoy the one with the sound effects. So let me know in the comment section below which one worked best for you. Let's just do a few more together.
Yum yum.
I like that sound effects.
Okay, see you later. Bye-bye.
I like that one too. Oh no. I think the spider ate too much. Poor spider. All right, we're at the last page now. Again, we have the glossary in the back that you can use to reinforce the English with your students. Well, that's the spider and the beehive. To edit the question, it's quite simple. So let me get to the, let's get to here. Click on any slide. Click on the question until it's highlighted with your cursor. And you can just write any question you want up here. Spider. Next. Something like that. And then click on the X. I'm using a MacBook, so I'm holding down Command key, X, and check. And then I can move the whole thing down. Put your cursor on the answer. Highlight until it's, click on it until it's highlighted, and then you can write your answer. And once you've done that, click on the X again, hold down Command, click on the check, and just move it back onto the answer. To change the sound effects, it's quite simple. Click on the sound icon up here. Go to Insert. Oops. And choose Audio. Audio from a file. And just switch it with a different audio of your choice. After you've done that, go to Animation. Load up the animation pane. And where it says write 1, write 2, so this one is write 1, this is write 2, just drag your audio file underneath that. Make sure your timing is set to previous so that it plays with the previous animation. So you want to choose the second option here where it says previous, not click or after previous, choose previous so that it will play properly. And you can test that out. Right click on your arrow key until it loads up the question and answer. All right, now we'll hit escape to get out. All right, hope you like the spider and the beehive. I really enjoy making it. And if you do like this book and my other materials, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you will get more awesome materials like this when I update my channel. Again, thank you for checking out my video. I wish you the best of luck in your classes.